Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Klassa.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and today we will talk about the date and time form fields. Desk Director Forms allows you to ask various types of questions to get various types of information from the customer.
These question types are called form fields, and you can use them to customize and tailor your service request forms to fit your business needs. Today we will cover the date and time fields.
These fields allow users to answer the question of when. The date field allows users to select a date and time using a calendar.
The time field allows users to input a time using an easy-to-use time selector. Let's look at these in action.
The date field can be configured to allow users to input a single date and time or multiple. Toggling the Date/Time button will enable users to input both a date and a time for more specific data input. A common usage for selecting multiple dates is to give a date range, from this date and time to that date and time. If you do enable multiple entries on a date field, make sure to inform the user of how to input data in the description of that question in the form.
The time field allows users to input times of the day. Like the date entry, the form maker can allow up to 8 times to be input. And that's how to use the date and time field types when making forms in Desk Director.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms.